Engineer Summer Video 2995, Arlington, Massachusetts. You have all welded brackets. Light welded here, all welded here. You can see the rust getting into them. And here, going up, you can see a true bolted there. You can see the landing as well. The angle line at the railings is all welded. You can see undersized lag bolt there. You can see all the rust in it. Your stringers are welded. And you can see all the tearing and the rusting in the threads. Tearing and rusting. You can see this thread here. You can see all the rusting in it, and it's breaking off. Same thing with that one. And it comes down to a bracket down there that is just placed off the roof. The railings are all welded, welded. Angle coming off the building there, coming over here, sitting on a clip, sitting on a leg here, and going around. You can see it all the rust here. See the rust getting into the connections. You can see it's all rusted. You can see the badness of the stairs there. 2995 video 2. You can see all the rust on the platform there. You can see the rail is bent, light bolts there. You can see the true bolts there. You can see all the rust in the connection. You can see this connection here is starting to break away back there. This one is worse. These are all the rust is getting in there and it's breaking all the welds. You can see how bad it is. You can see the space between the clip and the fire escape. I mean, you can see it there. And there how bad it is. When you come down here, you can see everything's welded and how bad the connections are. You come over here, you can see it here. This is all framed, you know, it's welded. The rails are welded on top of the angle. And it's got braces to the building, no legs to the ground. This has a leg to the roof. It has legs to the roof, all welded. You can see the condition of the weld. Another leg to the roof. And you can see I don't see any screws in it. Looks to be just sitting there. I don't know if there's any bolts going into the building. I haven't been able to see that yet. You can see the rust in the threads here, and the threads starting to separate. You can see the stringer connections there are all welded. Everything is welded. It's a 100% welded fire escape. Look at the rust in the connections separating. You have the air conditioning unit or heat pumps below you, which just adds more moisture and keeps this fire escape damp all the time. You can see all the rust in the connections. And from here, underneath the building, I don't see any bolts in that back angle. From my visible point, I can't get up underneath it. I don't see any bolts in it. You can see the holes in it where the rust is starting to eat away at the welds, and it's spreading again. See a lot of that in the threads. See the threads here? Flat bars are flopping because it's such a long distance. You can see the holes in it. Coming down to an intermediate platform with curves. The angle supporting the grating here is all gone. So this corner of the grating, if it slides off this piece of channel, it will go down when that other side breaks. You can see the connections, the rust building and all the connections on this fire escape. Goes down to a concrete pad. You see the concrete's breaking around the steel. The legs here are on footing. That footing looks like it's been the water and everything get at it. You can see the welder connections here. The rails, you can see the connections on the rails where it's welded to the channel, because this is all made out of C-channel. You can see this is just put together with channel welded. And you can see how bad that piece of angle is that's supporting the grating there. And all the welds here. And you can see how the water's eating away at that. Bracket up there. Two small lag bolts, it's like 1/4-inch lag bolts. And that support, which is braced on that side of the fire escape. And I don't see any bolts in the angle along the wall.